Most local service businesses are missing 30 to 50% of their incoming calls. That means plumbers, roofers, dentists, contractors are literally losing customers and money every single day. But with this one simple AI system for local service businesses, you can fix that problem for them and charge upwards of $500 per month per client. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI system works, how to set it up in under 20 minutes, and how beginners are landing their first $500 a month client. And the best part about this is I have nothing to sell you. No course, no high ticket coaching program, no upsell funnel. All I ask is that you like this video, share with a friend that wants real ways to make money online, and comment free course below. When you do that, I'll send over my free beginner-friendly training with all of my templates, my scripts, my live bootcamp, and a live one-on-one coaching call that shows you exactly step-by-step how to land your first paying client. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just real systems that work even when you're starting from scratch. All right, let's dive in. So like I said, these home service businesses, they're losing money every single day by simply not answering their call or taking way too long to follow up. Statistically, if someone calls a company and they don't follow up within the first 5 minutes, there's 80% chance of them never calling back again. All right, so let's use a plumber as an example on my lead loss calculator here on our site. So the average lifetime value of a customer, usually their jobs are around $200 to $300, most likely. And if they do a good job the first time, they're more likely to come back over and over again. So the lifetime value goes up. So I'm gonna say about $500 per customer. And for example, they miss about 10 calls per week. So that's about 40 calls per month. And then let's say our close rate on those missed calls would be 30%. So the simple calculation, they're losing around 12 customers per month, which is about $6,000 per month, which if you do the math over 12 months, that's over $70,000 in lost revenue. Being able to show and explain this to local service businesses makes this the easiest sell ever. So here's a 50-foot thousand view of this entire business model. You're gonna find local business owners that are missing calls. You're gonna offer them a simple AI receptionist that works 24/7, captures the lead, their information, their phone number, their email address, the problem they're having, and then books them automatically on their calendar, and you're gonna charge them $497 per month. And the best part about this is you set it up one time, and then this runs automatically for the business owner 24/7, 365, and you get paid a monthly fee every month. Think about how life-changing this could be. If you get just 5 clients paying $500 a month, you could be earning $2,500 per month. And for us, that pays for our mortgage, meaning that we are living in our house and paying it off for free, which we've done for years and years and years. 10 clients, you could be $5,000 per month. And then when you get to 20 clients, you're making around $10,000 per month, which for most of you is life-changing money that could mean that you are financially free and could quit your 9-to-5 job and do this full time. All right, now I'm gonna show you a live demo of what this actually looks like and sounds like on the software that I'm using. And then I'm gonna walk you step-by-step how to build it out yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and do a live web call here with Bravo Plumbing.
Hey, you have reached Bravo Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking to get my kitchen sink unclogged.
Got it. Let me take down a few details so we can assist you better. Can I start with your name, please?
Yeah, it's Kellen.
Thanks, Kellen. Just to confirm, that's K-E-L-L-E-N, right?
No, it's actually K-E-L-A-N.
Got it. K-E-L-A-N, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Thanks, Keelan. Could you share your email address so we can contact you?
Yeah, it's just test@gmail.com.
Thanks. So that's test@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
Great. Could you also provide your address so we know where to send our team?
Yep, it's 5 Main Street.
Thanks. Just confirming, it's 5 Main Street, right?
Yes.
Perfect. And just to confirm, you're looking to get your kitchen sink unclogged, correct?
Yes, my wife put a bunch of potato peels down there and clogged it again.
I see how that could happen. No worries, we'll take care of it. A team member will reach out shortly to schedule a visit and get that sink unclogged for you. Thanks for calling Bravo Plumbing, Keelan. Have a great day.
You too. So as you can see, that would be so valuable for these business owners to have a 24/7 voice AI receptionist answering the calls, taking down each and every customer's information, so their phone number, their email address, and their name, and then the problem that they're having, and then book them automatically on the calendar or put them in the system so that they can reach out and book them on the calendar but by themselves. Now, again, I want to point this out. You are not selling a software. You are selling the outcome that the software provides. So when you install this 24/7 voice AI receptionist, they're no longer going to miss calls. They're going to book more appointments. So basically you are selling more jobs, more appointments, and less lost revenue. That's the outcome that you're selling. You're not selling the software, you're selling the outcome. That's very, very important. So again, why is this worth it for business owners to pay you $500 a month for this? Well, take a roofer, for example. Say they miss just a couple calls per month and they're losing that revenue, and they install this within their business and they just land one extra job for the entire year, not even per month, the entire year. That could be an extra $15,000 to $20,000 in revenue for that one extra job. So paying $500 a month is a no-brainer. All right, so as I promised, we're gonna break this down step-by-step in the software and how to actually build out this voice AI receptionist. So you're gonna go over to this simple software, you're gonna go ahead and click AI agents. Under AI agents, you can do conversation AI and a voice AI. Conversation AI is more of the chat widget on their website or direct messages coming in from Facebook and Instagram. They can use AI to answer them. That's an entire video on our channel. We're going to go ahead and click voice AI and create our first voice AI agent. Now inside here, you can browse from the marketplace. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. These are pre-made templates and pre-made voice AI receptionist. They all do different things, so you'd have to click into them and kind of read what they do. I'm going to show you how to build one from scratch because it's just as simple as building one from the marketplace. So again, you're going to go create agent, create custom agent. So you're going to go ahead and give the agent a name, the business name, and now you can kind of click into voice to see what they sound like. So this is where you select.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends.
So Jessica's one of my favorite. So under provider, you can select 11 Labs, OpenAI, or Cartesia, I think is how you pronounce it. We want English, we want an American accent, and then we want a female. And we're just gonna go ahead and let that go. And then we can go ahead and click through and see what they sound like.
The 90s were fun.
Okay, so this might sound...
Hey, my name is Aaron.
So as you can see,
Celebrate progress.
they each have their own kind of accent.
I understand it's all...
Look, feel, professionalism.
Wrinkles should mirror...
And there's tons that you can pick from. So I like Jessica.
Hey, Worldly 11...
Sounds the best and she works well. All right, so on this next page, what we want to do is select the knowledge base. So this is basically going to the client's website, connecting their URL, connecting any FAQs, PDFs they have, and giving the AI as much knowledge as possible. You basically just create new and you can simply upload the URLs and all the information that you could possibly need. So we're going to go ahead and select the knowledge base we already have. Use this knowledge base if the user asks any questions about the business, services, products, contact details, or other relevant information that requires accessing the business's wiki to provide accurate, up-to-date information. So now we select what we want the AI receptionist to collect. So we want name, email address, the address, and the issue. And then a nice thing about this is you can actually receive an email notification post-call completion. So if your client wants to basically get an email saying, hey, this person called, here's the transcript, boom, there you go. You can do it for all users or just the admin. We're gonna go ahead and click next. So here's where you're actually gonna select the number for the client, and there it is. And then you can enable the AI agent as a backup to the phone number. So if someone calls the business owner's number, they don't pick up, and now it goes to the voice AI agent to collect the information. It basically picks up instead of going to voicemail. You can basically select which day, the time, the hours, all that stuff, and then make it go all the way down the list here if they want it just on off hours or weekends. If they don't have a number, you're gonna select by new number. And inside this system, you're going to just simply say add new number. And you can go ahead and filter by if there's a certain area code that you want. And then you basically come down here. It's $1 to get a new phone number. And you can just connect it over and proceed to buy it. All right, so now that I have this set up, we're going to go ahead and do a test call, which is great because you can basically train the AI voice. And you can also look at the transcripts. You can give it feedback. And this is how you really dial it in for the client. All right, we're going to go ahead and have it call me. And we're going to test out the voice AI.
Hey, you have reached. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm looking to get my house a deep clean.
Got it. A deep clean sounds like a great idea. Let me help you with that. Could you share a bit more, like the size of your home or any specific areas you'd like us to focus on?
Yeah, definitely the first floor, the kitchen, living room, dining room, all that. And the house is around 2,300 square feet.
All right. So focusing on the floors, kitchen, living room, dining room, and the rest of the main areas in a 300 square foot home. Got it. Let me check on this for you. Could I grab your name and contact info?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Perfect. Could you share your full name and the best phone number to reach you?
Yep, it's Kellen Klein, and my number is 1-800-225-6678.
Thanks, Kellen. Just to confirm, your number is 1-800-225-6678, right?
Yes.
Great. Thanks for confirming. We'll follow up with you soon to finalize the details for your deep clean. Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, just that the bedrooms get cleaned as well.
Got it. I'll make sure the bedrooms are included in the cleaning plan as well. Thanks for letting me know. We'll be in touch soon to get everything set up. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. So as you can tell, it took me about 5 minutes to set that up, and this customer is never going to lose another lead that's going to fall through the cracks through missed calls. They're going to have a 24/7 voice AI receptionist that's answering the calls, collecting the customer's emails, their problem, their address, and booking them on the calendar automatically. All right, so now I'm going to show you my favorite way to find these clients and land these clients. And I personally love Google Maps because it's super quick and easy to find businesses that need help with their marketing, online presence, voice AI receptionist. All right, so I went ahead and typed in plumbers in Albany. And what I'm going to look for is I'm going to scroll past these sponsored ones. Those ones are paying to be at the top. And I'm going to go for ones that have low amount of reviews, maybe no website, or maybe the profile is not filled out all the way, meaning that they're letting things fall through the cracks within their business. They're probably really good at their craft, but they just don't have time to set things up, the systems of the back ends to help their business grow. So this one, I'm sure, has an incredible website. They have 490 reviews, and actually their website's not the best. That's one that I would actually reach out to try to sell on a website. Again, I have a full video on that as well on our channel, but I'm going to scroll down. So this one right here, Tuba Heating and Plumbing. It looks like for some reason it's not even loading, but here's their number. So this is definitely a client I would call. If they don't pick up, it's actually a good thing because they're actually showing that they have the problem that you're trying to fix. So I would just call and say, hey, this is Kellen. I'm just trying to get a hold of you. I noticed that you didn't answer the phone. I actually help local businesses like yourself create a voice AI receptionist that works 24/7 so that you never miss calls and you're never letting those leads fall through the cracks. So you basically want to capture those leads and make you more money within your business. If you can give me a call back, I'd love to show it to you. Thanks. And then hang up. I would also follow up with a text message and maybe a direct message on Facebook if you can find it. Like I said, Google Maps is my favorite place to find these clients, but local Facebook groups are absolutely huge for this as well. Especially if you become the local hero that helps local businesses in your area. AJ Plumbing is another one I would do because they don't have a website. And again, just kind of scrolling through, and I would just probably pick off 10 of these. Bass Plumbing for sure, Precision Plumbing Albany, Decker Plumbing and Heating, low amount of reviews, not the best reviews. Sometimes you want to avoid these businesses because they just don't do good work. So I would kind of read through these real quick and make sure they're not scumbag business owners. And then just continue to scroll through. Peter J. Fleming, this no website, 4 reviews. They're just getting started. They need this system. They need help on their marketing side. And again, I have a free course that dives into all of the things like scripts, templates, and systems that you need to land your first client. So go ahead and comment free course below. I'm going to make sure I send it over to you. All right, let's break down the business here and why it is so incredible to have reoccurring income come in. Reoccurring means that you have a base that you are just stacking bricks on top of month after month, getting more and more revenue coming into your business without having to do anything else, without having to reach out to more customers, more clients. It's there every single month. $500 a month is actually a low ticket for all these business owners because you are saving them and making them so much more money. And again, with just 5 clients, you're at $2,500 per month. 10 clients, you're at $5,000, and 20 clients, you're at life-changing money at over $10,000 per month. And like I said before, if you can get to 20 clients, you're at that amazing $10,000 per month mark, which is just cash flow coming into you and your family, which allows you to basically have financial freedom. And the cool thing is this is just one feature that this software can do for these local service businesses. There's just so much opportunity to help these local businesses. So the voice AI receptionist could be your foot in the door, and then you have tons of upsells that you can do. And you could eventually be earning over $1,000 per month per client. And I want you to remember, action takers are money makers. So if you want my exact templates, scripts, training, live bootcamp, comment free course below. I'm going to send you my beginner training that walks you through the entire system step by step to land your first paying client. And if you're interested in seeing 5 more AI services that you can offer and sell these local businesses, make sure you click this video and watch it right here. Thanks for watching. God bless.